This is a nice tune, it's got a really good melody. It works on the principle you've got to have quite close chords, and you've also got to add an extra note on every chord just to fatten it up. You'll see as I play, you could try it without, but it just harmonises differently. Hopefully that's broken it down enough for you to rewind it and practice. But as always, I've made a backing track and this is the best bit. Lovely tune, but just a bit hard to get your fingers around them chords, but good luck.